Key components of credit risk rating in P2P lending. P2P lending match individual or institutional investors with borrowers, business of salaried individuals, by means of an online platform, by facilitating a viable alternative financing option. P2P is unquestionably shaping the consumer lending landscape. Consequently, P2P lending marketplaces are flourishing across the globe. It operates as a peer-to-peer network where an investor can fund multiple loans, or one loan is getting funding from multiple investors. Thus, the network shows a multitude of the close relationship between investors and borrowers. The key challenge for investors in P2B lending is the effectual allocation of their funds across different risk buckets. Hence, the accurate assessment of the risk involved is imperative. What is a credit risk rating? Credit risk rating involves the classification of individual P2P loans into a series of graduate categories of increasing risks, from minimal risks to high risks, refer to table. It is assigned by taking into account not only the credit record but also a combination of numerous determinants of credit risk. The lender is always seeking to minimize risk on investment. With knowing the fundamental determinants of credit risk rating, it's possible for them to earn better returns and decrease the default risk through investing in the quality loans. Key impact variables. 1. Credit record. It explains a borrower's credit worthiness and how likely a borrower meets its financial commitments. Credit record also plays a determining role on risk bucket assigned to a borrower. 2. Debt to income ratio. It is a helpful parameter while hypothesizing the repayment capability and financial position of a borrower. 3. City. Borrowers belong to diverse geographies and mixed ethnicities, revealing disinterested behavior. You can diversify your portfolio by selecting loans from different cities. 4. Working years. No of working years is another factor that reveals the credit worthiness of a borrower. 5. Monthly income. It reflects the current capital condition of the borrower. 6% is funding. It is an important determinant of a measure of funding success on loan within a risk bucket. For instance, if a prime borrower already received 50% of funding, then other lenders show a herding behavior for a borrower to receive faster funding. 7. Loan purpose. The purpose of the loan: small business funding, wedding loan, home appliance loan, home renovation loan, is analyzed by the lenders to decide on the credit risk. It also impacts the interest rate that is offered. 8. Total asset. The total asset elucidates the financial status of a borrower. The higher the total assets a borrower has, the better the probability of a successful repayments, and a lower chance of loan default by the borrower. These behaviors are statistically analyzed to assign the net return and default rate within each risk bucket. In P2P lending, you are investing in uncollateralized loan. Therefore, lenders face a potential risk of default. But this is a manageable risk. How? For smoother and consistent returns, lenders are suggested to spread their funds in a small part into each rich bucket. In the simple principle of investing, by not putting all eggs in the same basket. To sum up, peer to peer, P2B lending, is a bargaining online credit marketplace with a full range of loan product and investment opportunity by facilitating a viable alternative financial opinion. It is slowly and steadily nibbling the market share of traditional financial institutions. Faircent is India's leading peer-to-peer lending platform offering personal loan and business and mainstream financial product. Visit Faircent for personal and business loan. Call now 01204659902. Airtel source 1. Bad credit loan approval. 2. 1-day personal loan. 3. Zero down payment home loan. 4. Same day cash loan. 5. Easy personal loan with bad credit. Article tools. Zero comments, leave a comment. এখানে সবকিছু যে দেওয়া আছে মোটামুটি এটা একটা ক্রেডিট রিস্কের বর্ণনা। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই বুঝতে পারছেন। ধন্যবাদ।